Welcome to Fairy Magic Thursday. This is hosted by Grandma Sandy, co-hosted by Sharon Shinogle, Barbie Daily Rule Life in the Valley, and myself, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden. Well, today I have my fairies in a bookcase here in my living room. And I have this art studio loft that was a kit from Hobby Lobby. That roughly took 3 days to put together. But isn't this cool? Everything is so intricate and detailed. And it's a little art studio. You will see a painting there. And I like the fact there's a little white kitty cat there in the front. And a beautiful bookcase. And a lovely staircase and balconies. I love the wallpaper that's on the walls and a little bit of a brick look in the back. And I have my mother and daughter figurines there in between the loft and the books. Now I'm just showing you the top where I have these orbs, a wooden orb and a metal orb. And again, more books, a little table and chairs there. Now continue watching because there's 2 more buildings that I put together. These were from Michael's. Okay, here is a close-up of the other 2 rooms with an orb there in the middle with a little golden fairy inside it. And I did add a little bit of green moss around the greenhouse here. And then I changed the orb to the table and chairs with a little puppy dog on top of it and my fairy with a kitty cat. I'm trying to get the camera to get a top view. And then even over here with the other miniature, which is a greenhouse. It even has 3-dimensional flowers hanging from the top. It has a little chair there with a fairy sitting on it. And some plants, even some garden boots. And it has a little window that will open. Now this is one of those book nook kits. It was much easier to put together. All the pieces were interlocking, so no glue was even needed. And the lighting made it beautiful. That way you can enjoy it even in the evenings. And something I will show you is there is a touch panel that will turn the lights off and on for you, which makes it really nice and convenient. Now I'll show you the other miniature here in a minute, so continue watching. Okay, here is the Mall Cafe. It has a lot of little miniature stores, and I love this arch on the top and all the lighting and all the little store shops and the diamond-shaped black and white flooring and the table and chair inside with the beautiful little rose in the middle. And all the signs. There's an arcade in the back, a sign that says Paris, and there's a bookstore and a coffee shop. It's called the Darling Coffee Bar. Even the rooftop is very intricate and quite beautiful. I wouldn't mind shopping there, that's for sure. Okay, enjoy watching the rest of the video, and thanks for watching. Now be sure and go check out the playlist. See you all next week, and have a very nice day.